How to edit name in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy section. And from there, click on settings. And here from the account section, click on personal information and then click on edit next to the name option. And here you will be able to change your first name, add or change your middle name, and then change your last name. And once you are okay with the changes, click on review change, and here it will give you a preview so you can choose how you want your name to appear, whether it's first name last name or last name first name. Choose whatever suits you the best. And also keep in mind that you won't be able to change your name for the next 60 days. Once you are okay with that, enter your password in this field right here and click on save changes to change your name. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name in Facebook Lite. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.